Welcome to Mr. Khan English Channel.
Excuse me, sir. May I come?
Yes, Emily. Please come in.
Thank you, sir. How are you?
I am fine. How about you?
I am fine too, sir.
Can I help you, Emily?
Yes, sir. I want leave.
How many days do you need?
I need 1 week, sir.
1 week is quite long.
Yes, sir. I understand completely.
When do you want this leave?
From tomorrow to next Monday.
That is a long time away.
I know, sir, but I need it.
Why do you need leave, Emily?
I want to visit my hometown.
Oh, that's nice. Where exactly?
It is in New York City, sir.
That is far from here.
Yes, sir. That is why 1 week.
Any family event or personal work?
Yes, sir. My cousin's wedding is there.
I see. Family is important, Emily.
Thank you, sir, for understanding.
What about your office tasks today?
I will complete all urgent work.
And your project report, Emily?
I will submit it before leaving.
Who will manage your work then?
My colleague Anna will handle it.
Have you informed her about this?
Yes, sir. She agreed to help.
That's good planning, Emily. Well done.
Thank you, sir. I planned everything.
Will you answer phone calls?
Yes, sir. I will stay reachable.
Will you check emails during leave?
Yes, sir. Daily updates will happen.
That is responsible, Emily.
I always try my best, sir.
When will you return exactly?
Monday morning, sir. I will be back.
Good. Be on time for office.
Yes, sir. I will not delay.
Your leave is approved, Emily.
Thank you very much, sir.
Inform HR and finish handover.
Yes, sir. I will complete everything.
Have a safe trip to New York.
Thank you, sir. I will enjoy time.
Come back refreshed and ready, Emily.
I promise, sir. Thank you again. Excuse me, sir. May I come?
Yes, Emily. Please come in.
Thank you, sir. You look worried.
I am fine. What's the matter?
Sir, I have an emergency today.
Oh no, what happened, Emily?
My mother is sick, sir.
I'm sorry to hear that.
She is in my hometown, New York.
I understand. Family comes first, Emily.
Thank you, sir. I need leave.
How many days do you need?
Just 3 days, sir, please.
When will you return, Emily?
I will be back by Friday, sir.
What about your office tasks now?
I will finish urgent work today.
Who will handle your tasks later?
My colleague Anna will help, sir.
Have you informed her, Emily?
Yes, sir. I called and explained.
Good. Emergencies happen, Emily. Don't worry.
I am sorry for sudden leave, sir.
No problem, Emily. Family matters first.
Thank you, sir. I will take care.
Will you stay reachable by phone?
Yes, sir. I will stay connected.
Can you check emails briefly, Emily?
Yes, sir. I will check daily.
That is responsible, Emily. Thank you.
I always try to manage, sir.
Make sure Anna knows all updates.
Yes, sir. I already briefed her.
Travel safely to New York, Emily.
Thank you, sir. I will be careful.
Inform HR when possible, Emily.
Yes, sir. I will do that.
Take care of your mother, Emily.
I will, sir. Thank you again.
Go now.
I approve your leave.
Thanks very much, sir. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Emily. Stay safe and healthy.
Excuse me, sir. May I come?
Yes, Emily. Please come in.
Thank you, sir. You look serious.
I am fine. What happened, Emily?
Sir, I have a bank issue today.
Oh? What kind of problem?
Some money was debited wrongly, sir.
From which bank, Emily?
From my Chase bank account, sir.
That is serious. Did you check?
Yes, sir. I did not authorize it.
I see. How urgent is this, Emily?
Very urgent, sir. I must go today.
How much money is missing?
A large amount, sir. Very stressful.
I understand, Emily. Need leave today?
Yes, sir. Just 2-3 hours, sir.
What about your work, Emily?
I will inform my team, sir.
Who will handle urgent tasks later?
Anna will take care, sir.
Did you inform her, Emily?
Yes, sir. I sent her a message.
Good. Emergencies happen, Emily. Don't worry.
Thank you, sir. I will fix it fast.
Will you keep your phone on?
Yes, sir. I will be reachable.
Make sure emails are checked, Emily.
Yes, sir. I will check them.
That's responsible. Anything else needed?
No, sir. Just leave approval, please.
Okay, Emily, you can go now.
Thanks, sir. I appreciate your help.
Call if you need support, Emily.
I will, sir. Thank you again.
Keep all bank documents with you, Emily.
Yes, sir. I have them ready.
Travel safely and resolve quickly, Emily.
I will, sir. Thank you.
Inform HR later, Emily.
Yes, sir. I will do that.
Goodbye, Emily. Take care.
Goodbye, sir. I will return soon. Excuse me, sir. May I come in?
Yes, Emily. Please come in.
Thank you, sir. How are you today?
I am good, Emily. And you?
I am fine, sir. Thank you.
What do you want to discuss, Emily?
Sir, I want to ask for leave.
Okay. How many days, Emily?
I need 1 week leave, sir.
1 week is long, Emily. Are you sure?
Yes, sir. I need it urgently.
From which date, Emily?
From tomorrow to next Monday, sir.
Where are you going, Emily?
To my hometown, sir, near Chicago.
Oh, that is far, Emily. I see.
Yes, sir. That's why I need leave.
Any family reason, Emily?
Yes, sir. Family function at home.
Understood. Family matters are important, Emily.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate that.
What about your office work, Emily?
I will finish all my tasks today.
And your ongoing project, Emily?
I will submit it before leaving, sir.
Who will handle your work then?
Anna will manage in my absence, sir.
Have you informed her, Emily?
Yes, sir. She agreed to help.
That is good planning, Emily.
Thank you, sir. I wanted to be responsible.
Will you be reachable by phone, Emily?
Yes, sir. You can call any time.
Check your emails as well, Emily.
I will, sir. Daily updates, I promise.
When will you return, Emily?
Monday morning, sir. I will report directly.
Good. Ensure smooth handover, Emily.
Yes, sir. Everything will be clear.
Any pending tasks, Emily?
No, sir. I will complete all today.
Okay, Emily. I approve your leave.
Thank you, sir. I truly appreciate it.
Have a safe journey, Emily.
I will, sir. Thank you very much.
Enjoy your family time, Emily.
I surely will, sir. Thanks again.
Return on time, Emily.
I promise, sir. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Emily. Take care.